Então, galera, hoje eu vim trazer um pessoal aqui para conhecer essa fazenda de alpaca, né? Que são as lhamas, né? Então aqui são as alpacas, né? São esses animais. Aqui uma loja que eles têm móvel. So how long you guys have this alpaca shop?
24 years now.
24 years now?
Yeah.
That's cool.
So we're currently running about 140 alpacas on the farm.
So where's the alpacas come from? Where's the
South
origin?
America. So
South America, like.
mainly in the early days Chile, and then later on from Peru.
Mm-hmm.
And we import quite a few, or used to import quite a few from Australia. They get different genetics. But these days we can't import from any country, so what we've got is what we've got. We've got 40,000 alpacas in New Zealand.
Oh, that's
so
nice.
Good size. So what we do with the alpacas is mainly for on-selling, so breeding and on-selling the young ones.
Yeah.
And then secondly is from their fleece. So in here we have like a gift shop, so everything is made of alpaca, whether 100% or it's got a bit of sheep's wool in as well. Although we have 40,000 animals, it's very hard to get enough fibre of the right quality to make a production run. Through 1970s we had something like 80 million sheep here.
Yeah, I heard that. I heard
and
that.
now we're down to about under 30 million, so it's changed dramatically.
Então, galera, ele estava explicando pra gente ali como funciona aqui a parada de lã e o mercado, né, da alpacas. E é engraçado, né, porque eu nunca tive contato com nenhuma alpaca na minha vida pelo fato de não sermos peruanos nem chilenos. It's a really good material. Look at that, it's beautiful. You guys made over here the stuff? Or? Peru? Oh, nice. It's not too expensive, $135. That's a good price. Actually,
Reasonable.
yeah, reasonable, yeah, nice.
All the baby stuff down here, my wife knits.
Okay. Oh, cute. Probably gonna go buy some to my granddaughter. I got a granddaughter now, yeah.
We have 3 children and they all do their certain bits. Like our son's been helping me over the last 2 months, off and on shearing. So he does the shearing, and we just finished yesterday for the end of season.
Okay.
One daughter will look after the farm if we have to go away, and the other daughter will help us in the shop.
Cool.
So, and both daughters will help with the knitting and all that sort of stuff as well.
Okay, this is a family business.
Family business.
Yeah, that's nice. Ele estava me explicando aqui a respeito aqui como funciona as fazendas aqui na Nova Zelândia, quantas fazendas tem, animais. Então assim, como foi o processo de importação. Então mais ou menos eu vou traduzir para vocês aí do que aconteceu, né? Dentro do possível. Também não conheço muito sobre alpacas não, mas ele vai mostrar um pouco mais aí dessa história. My first contact with alpacas in my life.
So these are what we call juveniles. So these are just coming up a year old.
Just 1 year old, okay.
Yeah. So these boys are what we want to grow out and as potential studs.
Mm-hmm.
So they've gone through their first year and we're pretty happy with their fleece. So we'll grow them out to next year and just see how it goes.
Can you go for a talk then? They come to talk to us or no?
Probably not as much.
No?
Once we get out in the other paddock.
Oh, hello. Nice. So cool. Look at this one. Completely black.
So we're one of the probably few farms in New Zealand that have both Suri and Wakaya and all the different colours.
Oh, okay.
So most breeders will have 25 to 30 and they'll have one colour only.
All right.
So I'm from a retail background, so I thought if we're going to have a business we need a wee bit of everything.
So this one's the big ones, no?
So these are adults.
And how old are they?
These guys are coming up 4.
4?
These guys are just on a year old.
Okay, now how long do they last? Like,
Their lifespan is around about 20 years.
oh, that's a good time,
The
yeah.
oldest one I know of died at 28.
How long they spend with the mother, like for how many years?
Tradition has been that we leave them with their mum for 6 months.
6 months?
And then we take them off, halter train them, and then they're ready for market.
All right. And how much costs like for each animal? Like
about $70 per animal.
Okay.
And that includes shearing, trimming the toenails, vaccinations.
But if I want to buy one animal, how much will it cost me?
So one animal starts off about $500.
$500, okay. And about the food, what normally they eat? Just grass?
Mainly grass. It's drying out pretty rapidly here, as you can see.
Yeah.
So we need to start supplement feeding them with hay. So usually for us, November, December, we have a big growth spurt.
Mm-hmm.
And so we make lots of hay, and then from sort of January right through to September. So the main job of any farmer is to make sure their stock is well looked after and fed.
And it's always people coming here, or just like
Yeah, there's people coming all the time, just like we've got here now.
Oh, there's another one video now. So I'm gonna come here more time and yeah.
So if you can bring more people out.
For people, yeah.
Yeah.